Are you making a huge mistake with your retirement? Most people believe these 5 myths about Roth IRAs, and it's costing them thousands of dollars every year. Roth IRAs are a type of individual retirement account that allows contributions with after-tax dollars, providing tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. This makes them an attractive option for those who expect to be in a higher tax bracket in the future. Having a solid grasp on how Roth IRAs work can help you make the most of your retirement savings. The first myth is people often believe that Roth IRAs are only for high income earners, but this can be further from the truth. Anyone that has earned income can contribute to a Roth IRA regardless of their income level. This myth may have originated from the fact that there are income limits on who can contribute to Roth IRAs, but these limits are relatively high. Myth number 2 is many people have the idea that Roth IRAs are complicated to set up and manage. In reality, opening a Roth IRA is a straightforward process that can be completed online or with the help of a financial advisor. Managing a Roth IRA is also relatively simple, as you can choose from a variety of investment options and adjust your portfolio as needed. Roth IRAs are often seen as a supplement to other retirement accounts, such as 401ks or traditional IRAs. However, they can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. By contributing to a Roth IRA and allowing the funds to grow tax-free, you can create a sizable nest egg for retirement. Some people believe that Roth IRAs are not worth it because of the taxes they have to pay up front. However, this ignores the long-term benefits of tax-free growth and withdrawals. When you contribute to a traditional IRA or 401k, you may be paying taxes up front, but you'll have to pay taxes on the withdrawals in retirement. The benefits of Roth IRAs are numerous, and they can be a valuable addition to your retirement portfolio. By understanding how Roth IRAs work and dispelling common myths, you can make informed decisions about your retirement savings. Hey family, let's take a quick break. I hope you're gaining massive value from this video. But let's be real, over 75% of people watching these videos aren't even subscribed yet. If you're serious about building real wealth and keeping more of your money, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Secondly, if you're a high income business owner or a real estate investor, you're probably overpaying in taxes by 30 to 40% every single year. I can guarantee it. I'm offering free discovery calls right now for those who are ready to take action and take control over their taxes, their business, and their future. That's right. This is your chance to get a personalized, comprehensive plan to keep more of what you earn. I'm talking about saving $10,000 to $50,000 or more in the first year alone. Click the link below to book your free call, but don't wait. Spots are limited. Let's lock in your savings and your strategy. Now, let's get back to the video. Myth number 3 is surrounding Roth IRAs is that they're only for young people. While it's true that earlier you can start contributing to a Roth IRA, the more time your money has to grow, it's never too late to start. Even if you're in your 50s or 60s, contributing to a Roth IRA can provide significant benefits. The fourth myth is you can't contribute to a Roth IRA if you have high income. While there are income limits on who can contribute to a Roth IRA, these limits are relatively high, and there are ways to get around that. For example, you can contribute traditional IRA, then convert it to a Roth IRA, a process known as the backdoor Roth IRA. The fifth myth is that Roth IRAs are not flexible. In reality, Roth IRAs offer a great deal of flexibility, as you can withdraw contributions at any time tax-free and penalty-free. You can also withdraw earnings tax-free and penalty-free if you've had the account for at least 5 years and are 59 and a half or older. If you had experiences with Roth IRAs, share them in the comment section below. What do you think is the most common myth about Roth IRAs, and how have you benefited from using one? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and insights, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. We love to hear from you, so please leave a comment and let us know what you think about Roth IRAs. And if you're curious about how to choose between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.